Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
How are you feeling today, Paul?
I am feeling very calm, Emily. It is quite cold outside today. The sky is gray and the wind is blowing, but inside it is warm.
I love that feeling. When the weather is cold, but you are safe and warm inside, it feels very cozy.
Exactly. I have a hot cup of coffee in my hands. It is keeping me warm. What about you? How is your mood?
I am feeling peaceful. I have my tea, of course. I love winter tea. It smells like cinnamon and apples.
That sounds delicious. You know, Emily, today we're going to talk about winter vacation.
Oh, I love this topic. Winter vacation is special. It feels different from summer vacation.
Yes, it does. Summer is often loud and busy, but winter is quieter.
Before we start, Paul, can I say something to our listeners?
Of course.
If you enjoy these conversations, you're welcome to subscribe. We are happy to have you in our community.
Yes, thank you for listening. So, Emily, winter vacation. What is the first thing you think of when you hear those words?
Good question. I think of blankets.
Blankets?
Yes, heavy, soft blankets. I think of sitting on the sofa, covered in a blanket, watching a movie, or reading a book.
That sounds very relaxing. What about you, Paul? What is the first thing you think of? I think of snow. I know it does not snow everywhere, but in my mind, winter vacation means snow.
Do you like the snow?
I do. I like looking at it through the window. Everything looks clean and white. It makes the world look new again.
That is a beautiful thought. It's like the world is taking a break.
Exactly. A break. That is a good word. Vacation means a break from work or school, but winter vacation feels like a break from noise.
Yes, everything is muffled. Muffled means the sound is softer. The snow makes everything quiet.
That is a great word, Emily, muffled. It is quiet and gentle.
Do you usually travel for winter vacation, Paul, or do you stay home?
I usually prefer to stay home. Traveling in winter can be difficult.
Why is it difficult?
Well, the airports are busy. The roads might be icy or slippery. Slippery means it is easy to fall or slide.
Oh, I don't like driving on slippery roads. It is scary.
Me neither. So I prefer a staycation.
Can you explain that word for our listeners?
Sure. A staycation is when you have a vacation, but you stay at your own house. You relax at home instead of going to a hotel.
I love staycations. You can sleep in your own bed.
And you save money.
That is true. Paul is always very practical.
I try to be. But Emily, do you ever travel in winter?
Sometimes. I like to visit my family. My parents live in the countryside.
Is it different there?
Yes, it is even quieter than the city. At night, you can see so many stars. The air is very crisp.
Crisp. That is a good way to describe cold air. It feels fresh and sharp.
Exactly. It wakes you up. When I step outside at my parents' house, I take a deep breath. It feels healthy.
That sounds lovely. So for you, winter vacation is about family.
Yes, family and food. We eat a lot during the winter.
We all do. Hot food is necessary when it is cold.
Do you have a favorite winter food, Paul?
I think soup. A thick, hot vegetable soup.
Oh, perfect. With some warm bread?
Yes, simple and warm. That is my style.
It sounds perfect.
I think that is the theme of winter vacation, Emily. Simple, warm, and quiet.
I agree. We don't need to do big things to be happy in winter.
No, small things are enough. So, Emily, we talked about staying home, but what do you actually do during your winter vacation?
Honestly, Paul, I try to do very little.
Very little?
Yes, I think we are always so busy. We rush to work, we rush to the store, we're always looking at our phones.
That is very true. Modern life is fast.
So in winter, I like to slow down. I like to sleep in.
Sleeping in. That means waking up late, right?
Yes, no alarm clock. I wake up when my body wants to wake up. Maybe 9 a.m., maybe 10 a.m.
That sounds like a luxury.
It is. And then I stay in my pajamas for a long time.
A pajama morning, my favorite.
Exactly. I might read a book, or I might just look out the window. Do you get bored if you do nothing, Paul?
Sometimes. I am a person who likes to fix things. I like to be active.
So what do you do on a winter day?
I like to organize.
Organize? That sounds like work.
No, it is relaxing for me. I might clean my bookshelf or organize my photos. It feels good to put things in order.
I understand that. It makes your mind feel clear.
Yes, when my house is tidy, my mind is calm.
Do you ever go outside?
I do. I like winter walks, but I have to dress warmly.
Oh, yes, you have to bundle up.
Bundle up. That is a funny phrase. It means wearing many layers of clothes.
Yes, a shirt, a sweater, a coat, a scarf, a hat, and gloves.
And thick socks. Don't forget the socks. Cold feet are the worst.
I agree. So you bundle up and go for a walk. Where do you go?
Just around the park. I like the sound of walking on dry leaves or snow. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
That is a satisfying sound.
It is, and I like seeing other people. Everyone looks cozy in their big coats. We smile at each other, but we don't talk much. It is too cold to stop and chat.
Yes, just a quick wave and keep walking.
Emily, do you think people feel pressure to have an exciting vacation?
I think so, especially on social media. People post photos of skiing or going to tropical beaches.
Right, they're swimming in the ocean while we're freezing.
Yes, and sometimes I feel jealous or I feel like my vacation is boring.
Boring is a tricky word. Sometimes boring is good.
What do you mean?
Well, if your life is stressful, boring means peace. It means safety.
That is a beautiful perspective, Paul. You are right. I shouldn't feel bad about doing nothing.
Not at all. There's a concept called recharging, like a battery.
Oh, like a phone battery?
Yes, if you use your phone all day, the battery dies. It needs to be plugged in. It needs to sit still to get energy again.
And winter vacation is our time to plug in.
Exactly. We're recharging our human batteries.
I love that image. So sitting on the sofa with my tea is not lazy, it is recharging.
Correct. It is essential. Essential means very, very important.
I'm going to remember that. Next time I'm doing nothing, I will say, I am doing something important. I am recharging.
Perfect.
Do you watch movies in the winter, Paul?
I do. I like old movies.
Why old movies?
They feel nostalgic. Nostalgic means they make you think of the past in a happy way.
Yes. I like nostalgic movies too. They feel familiar. You know the ending, so you don't have to worry.
Exactly. No stress. Just a good story.
I like comedies in the winter. I like to laugh when it is dark outside.
Laughter is good for keeping warm, too.
That is true.
So, sleeping in, reading, walking, organizing, and watching movies.
It sounds like a perfect winter vacation to me.
To me as well. Simple is best.
Paul, I have been thinking about what you said earlier, about nature taking a break.
Yes?
I realized something. In the winter, the trees lose their leaves. The flowers stop growing, the animals hide.
Yes, they are conserving energy, saving energy.
Right. But we humans, we often try to keep going at the same speed all year.
That is very true, Emily. We try to be like machines, but we are part of nature too.
Exactly. I realized that it is natural to feel tired in the winter. It is natural to want to stay inside.
We shouldn't fight it.
No. I used to feel guilty. I thought I should go to the gym, I should learn a new language, I should be productive.
But winter is telling us to rest.
Yes, I think winter teaches us patience.
Patience. Can you explain that feeling?
Patience is being okay with waiting. We are waiting for the spring. We are waiting for the sun. We cannot rush it.
I like that. You cannot force a flower to grow in the snow.
No, you have to wait, and while you wait, you can rest.
I noticed something too, Emily.
What is that?
I noticed that winter brings people closer together.
How so?
Because it is cold outside, we gather inside. We sit around a table. We sit around a fire. We are physically closer.
That is true. In the summer, everyone runs off in different directions. In winter, we huddle together.
Huddle. That means to crowd together for warmth.
It sounds very safe, like penguins.
Yes, exactly like penguins. It is a time for connection.
I feel that winter is also a time for reflection.
Reflection? Like looking in a mirror?
A little bit, but looking inside yourself, thinking about the last year.
Ah, looking back at your memories?
Yes, thinking, what did I learn this year? What made me happy?
It is easier to think when it is quiet.
Exactly. The silence of winter helps us hear our own thoughts.
That is profound, Emily. Profound means very deep and meaningful.
Thank you, Paul. It's just a feeling I have. Sometimes silence is scary, but in winter, silence feels like a friend.
It gives us space, space to breathe, space to dream.
Yes, we dream about what we want to do when the sun comes back.
So the rest is not just doing nothing, it is preparing.
Preparing for the new growth.
Like the trees. They look dead, but they are alive inside. They are getting ready for spring.
I love that. We are not lazy, we are just getting ready to bloom again.
That makes me feel much better about my nap yesterday.
See? It was productive.
I feel calmer just talking about this.
Me too. It's nice to know that we don't always have to be running. Standing still is okay.
Standing still is necessary.
It reminds me to enjoy the hot cup of tea, to really taste it, not just drink it while I'm working.
To be present in the moment.
Yes, winter vacation is a collection of small, quiet moments.
And those moments are precious.
They really are.
Well, Emily, we have talked about a lot today.
We have. We talked about cozy blankets, snowy walks, and the importance of rest.
We learned some good vocabulary, too. Words like staycation, bundle up, and recharging.
And we talked about how winter is a natural time to slow down, just like nature.
I hope our listeners are feeling a little more relaxed now.
I hope so too. I hope they don't feel pressure to have a perfect vacation.
A simple vacation is a perfect vacation.
Paul, I want to ask our listeners a question.
That is a great idea. We love hearing from you.
Listeners, we want to know, what is your favorite simple activity to do in winter?
Oh, good question.
Do you like to read? Do you like to cook? Or do you just like to sleep?
Please tell us in the comments. It is great practice for your English writing.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Just try to express your feeling.
We read all the comments, and we love learning about your lives in different countries.
It is amazing to see how winter is different around the world.
Paul, before we go, we should remind them one last time.
Yes, if you enjoyed this calm conversation, please remember to like this video. It helps other English learners find us.
And don't forget to subscribe to Real Talk English for more conversations like this.
Paul, what are you going to do after we finish recording?
I think I am going to take my own advice.
Oh?
I am going to make another pot of coffee, sit in my favorite chair, and listen to the wind outside.
That sounds wonderful. I am going to call my mom. We usually talk for a long time on winter afternoons.
That sounds lovely. Say hello to her for me.
I will.
Thank you, everyone, for spending this time with us.
We appreciate you. Remember to be kind to yourself this week.
Rest well, stay warm, and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.